looks scared.
We've gotta help him.
These bursts of light are making it so hard to see where we're going.
Yeah, look at all those other animals.
They're trying to get away from the light, too.
They need dark places to hide and feel safe.
Let's make some out of webs.
Perfect.
Hey, little raccoons. It's nice and dark in there.
You can go in, Owl.
You too, Bat.
Let's get out of the way so they feel safe to go in. You're welcome, Owl friend.
Those raccoons look way happier.
All good over here. The Bat is hanging out in the den.
I wonder if my dad has figured out what's causing all these bursts of light. Whoa! What is going on?
That explains it. Look!
Electro!
Well, if it isn't Team Spidey. Let me guess. You came to ruin my fun like you always do.
What you're doing isn't fun, Electro.
Ugh, sure it is. I figured out how to turn electricity into my own cool fireworks show. Check it out. Whoa. This is way more fun than all that boring darkness.
It's bothering the animals.
Oh, who cares about the animals? It's fun for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it.
Not if we can help it.
Ooh, miss me. But I'm not going to miss you.